welcome back to my channel, and in this episode we're going to assemble the excavating machine. Okay, so I'm still waiting for my package to arrive. So this is actually one of the two remaining, and we have here our plate and same two plates, and this one is kind of bent, but I hope it doesn't destroy the assembly later. Also this one. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I am on my final assembly. I actually worked on this for almost 4 hours now. So yeah, it's just gonna clip this for finalizing it, and I'll just comment later. And finally clipping on this one here. Alright, so I think we're done. So, alright, so I have the excavating machine finished already. So this is actually a difficult assembly, especially on the bottom part, because you need to insert it here somewhere and need to fix it. But overall, I actually like the design. And as you can see here, this one rotates. The base actually rotates, but it's kind of hard because I use twisting on the locking on the base here. So, but I'm not going to play with it though. So at least it is working. So yeah. So this one should be in the back. Alright, so I think this is it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. It's just kind of small dent here, and the fork is actually nice, and the cylinders here looks awesome though. This one. Okay, so thank you for watching. So I hope you have enjoyed this another episode of 3D metal model assembly. So hope to see you on more videos like this. Good day.